Here is the calendar math for today. Today is Friday the 27th of March. It is day 40 of the first 100 days of school. So pause the video now and see if you can answer all of these questions. Right, now you've done that, we're going to mark calendar math. Today is Friday the 27th of March. It is day 40 of the first 100 days of school. It's 27 odd or even? The answer is it is odd. List the factors of 27. We're going to have 1 times 27 equals 27. And we're going to have 3 times 9 equals 27. Draw the arrays of 27. So we'd have one long line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And 3 rows of 9. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, for add sub, 27 plus 10 is going to be 37. Yeah, and 9 plus 27 is going to be 36. Because we know, yeah. Then we'll do an algorithm for this one. Apologies. Here we go, 300 and 42 plus 155. Okay, 2 plus 5 is going to be 7, 4 plus 5 is 9, and 3 plus 1 is 4. Heading down, 62 divided by 34. So let's do an algorithm for that one. 62 minus 34. 2 minus 4, can't do that. Let's make that a 5. And this becomes a 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. So it becomes 28. 82 minus 25. Let's do that a different way. Let's go 82, split it up, minus 20. It's going to be 62. And then we're going to go 62 minus 5. If we count it down, that would take us to 57. Apologies. 57. Right, 423 minus 156. Let's go back to our algorithm. 423 minus 156. Okay, 3 minus 6 can't do that. That becomes 1. This becomes 13. 13 minus 6 would be 7. And 1 minus 5 can't do that. Let's make that a 3. This becomes 11. And 11 minus 5 would be 6. 3 minus 1 would be 2. So it would be 267. On to milk div. 3 times 8 is going to get us all the way to... 3 times 8 is always going to get us to 24. I have a couple of issues today. 24. Right, 4 times 7 is going to be 28. 23 times 6, 6 times 20 is going to equal 120. Okay, because I go 6 times 2 is 12, carry the 0 over there. And then 6 times 3 is 18. So those two together would be 138. Okay, 45 divided by 5. We know that 5 times 9 is 45, so it's going to be 9. And we know that 24 divided by 4, we know that 4 times 6 equals that, so it's going to be 6. 225, let's do a quick algorithm. Okay, 5 over here. We're struggling. We'll do it again over here. 2, 5, 5. 5. How many times 5 into 2? 0. That becomes 25. How many times 5 into 25? It's going to be 5. How many times 5 into 5? It's going to be 1. So So the answer is going to be 51. Okay, down here. Let's expand this out. We're going to get 700, and then we're going to get a 20, and then we're going to get a 3, and then we're going to get a 0.1. Word form would be 700 and 23 0.1. School day fraction, we're on day 40. So 40 over 100. And we can definitely simplify this because we can divide both of these numbers by 10. Okay, so that would make the 44, and the 100, the 10 would be 10, and we can divide it even more. So we could have divided it by 20 before, so let's divide it, but we can fix it by dividing it by 2 now, which would make 2 over 5. Is our most simplest fraction for that. School day decimal will be 0.4. And rich math activity. Mr. Knox had 28 tennis balls to put away. Each container could hold 4 balls. How many containers did he need? So your number sentence would be 28 divided by 4, because I'm sharing them out. So that's why I would go to our divided by. And we know that that would be 7. Right, place these values on the number line. Okay, come back. We're going to have 1/4 around here. 3/4 would be around here-ish. 80% is going to be just above, because we know that 3/4 is 75%, and 25% is bang on 1/4. And our 5's going to go a little bit less than 1/4. As for our 14, well, half of 27, that's 13.5, so it's going to be around halfway, probably a little bit above it. So 14. And there we have it.